What if I told you that the average Canadian retiree can save thousands per month after downsizing without sacrificing comfort or lifestyle? Now, I know what you're thinking. Downsizing isn't just about moving to a smaller space. It's about navigating a complex real estate market where timing, taxes, and finances can feel like puzzle pieces. In fact, 29% of Canadian retirees stay in homes that no longer fit their needs. Not because they want to, but because they are unsure how to make the right move. High property taxes and rising maintenance costs add financial strain, eating into retirement savings faster than expected. Finding a new home that's both accessible and close to family can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. With unpredictable market conditions, many retirees worry. Will they sell at the right time? Will they be able to afford their next home? And will they regret their decision down the road? With so many moving pieces, it's no surprise that downsizing often feels too overwhelming to even start. I'm Josh from Under the Radar Real Estate, a separate channel dedicated to finding hidden gem properties in Toronto. After overseeing $100 million in real estate transactions over the last 13 years, I've learned one thing. Downsizing doesn't have to be complicated. That's exactly why today, I'm going to show you the tool that has helped so many retirees take the guesswork out of downsizing, making the process simpler, smarter, and far less stressful. So here's the good news. Downsizing isn't just about cutting costs. It's about unlocking financial freedom. On average, Canadian retirees who downsize free up hundreds of thousands of dollars in home equity while also saving around $1,200 a month on property taxes, maintenance, and utilities. That's money that can go towards travel, hobbies, or simply enjoying retirement with less financial stress. But where do you start? First, you need to understand what your home is really worth and how much equity you have. Next, you'll want to research neighborhoods that align with your lifestyle and budget, whether that means staying close to family or finding a home with better accessibility. Finally, you need a clear step-by-step action plan to make the transition as smooth as possible, and that's exactly where Valery comes in. This video covers the whole process in detail. So step 1, know your home's true value. First things first, let's find out what your home is actually worth. Not what your neighbor thinks, not what your realtor says, but what buyers are really paying right now. Just head over to Valery.ca's home evaluation tool. Type in your address and Valery's AI analyzes thousands of recent sales to give you a true market value. But here's what's cool. It shows you the best time to sell based on your neighborhood. In Toronto right now, listing in April could get you an extra 3 to 5% on your sale price compared to if you list just next month. Also, there are loads of other cool features like your neighborhood demographics, the average days it takes to sell a home in your area, and the dynamics of your local market. Now that you know what your home is worth, the next question is, where should you move? Let's find out. Step 2, find your next home the smart way. Let's say you want to find a condo within walking distance of your grandkids, or maybe your favorite coffee shop, somewhere that fits your lifestyle without all the hassle of endless searching. Instead of clicking through endless filters and scrolling through hundreds of listings, just click on Val in the bottom right and tell her what you want. So watch this. Show me single level condos within 20 minutes of Victoria Village under $800,000 with low maintenance fees. See how Val instantly comes back with a link to help you search. These aren't just random listings. The AI prioritizes buildings with amenities retirees love, like 24/7 security, elevators, and social spaces. Want to compare properties? Just ask Valery which condo has lower maintenance fees. This takes the guesswork out of house hunting. If you like a particular feature about a neighborhood or home, or just want to see if there's a park nearby for the grandkids, you just need to ask. So now you know what your home is worth and you've found great options for your next move, but what's the smartest way to actually make this transition? How do you handle each step of the process? Step 3, create a clear data-backed action plan. That's where Valery's action plan feature is such a game changer. Simply enter your phone number and take the 4-minute phone call from Val. Afterwards, you'll receive a free, personalized roadmap that shows a step-by-step plan for how to downsize for retirement. For retirees, this means no second guessing, no stress, just a clear, customized plan to help you move forward with confidence. Look, I get it. Downsizing is a big decision, but you don't have to figure this out alone. Here's what I want you to do. First, head to Valery.ca. It's linked in the description below. Then sign up and enter your address to get your free home evaluation. Afterwards, you can chat with Val to research your next home. Then finally, take a 4-minute phone call with Val to cement that action plan. After 13 years in real estate, I've learned that knowledge is power, and having Valery's AI as my partner makes me even better at what I do. It's like having a research analyst and a real estate strategist available 24/7. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel for more Canadian real estate insights, and drop a comment below if you have any questions about downsizing. I read every single comment. For those of you who want more insider tips on navigating Toronto's real estate market, make sure to check out my other channel, Under the Radar Real Estate. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.